Hello everybody, I am here with TSG-PM1, which is a total harmonic distortion power meter for testing of single phase USS. Now I am here to demonstrate the testing of a CFL of 15 watt. I have taken a normal CFL of 15 watt. So you can easily see the main page. Here it is showing the voltage, current, wattage, PF, frequency, and here in the second column it is showing the voltage TSG, current TSG, and the net TSG caused by the load. This is showing the model. Now here I am going to test CFL, so I have to change the device, testing device. So I will press the next page for the 5 seconds. Now here you can see the setting page will come. Now I have to press next page button. So you can see this page is showing model selection. So I have to test the CFL turn watt. First of that, I have to transfer the settings from the computer. Now you will see here the software is showing the live values taken from the meter. It is also live values. Now if you want to set setting, here click here. And here you have to click add new device. I have to make CFL 15 watt like this. That's okay. Now I can fill the values here, like watt limit I have to check, like voltage I have to mention 210 volt to 300 volts, wattage 14.5 to 15.5, PF is not less than 0.7. So when I completed the limits, I have to click here save to hardware. Okay. No, now you can see here the devices available you have added. Here it is showing the index, in which index in meter you want to save the limits. Click here. Now it is writing the data. It will take 25 seconds to writing in the meter memory. Now it has written that. Now close this window. Now in the meter you can press up and down button to see whether the given device is saved or not. So you can press down button. Yeah, here it is. The new value is showing CFL 15 watt. Now press next page button, so that this device is saved. Now you can view the limits you have saved. You can verify the limits here. Like I have set the parameters for voltage 210 to 300 volt, wattage 14.5 to 15.5. Okay. Now I have to press hold button, so I will go to the main page. Here you can see the model number is changed. It is here showing CFL 15 watt and the result is pass. Now it is showing failed result because the limit is going beyond this. Okay. Now this LED is showing the result of the testing. If the device pass the test, the LED will not blink, and In failed condition, this LED will blink. Now if we want to make report of this in software, go to here display page, and you can easily here fill your serial number, pass or fail. Here you can write comments, operator name, and press here save to CSV Excel. So the file will be saved as Excel file. This is used for production testing, and this serial number will increase. You can also fill your serial number or have different settings from the settings and auto test setting. Here you can set the destination folder in which a file will save, and pass fail setting and other settings. Now if you want to see the TSG spectrum, click here get TSG page. Now it will take some time to get TSG from here. Now you can clearly see the TSG, total harmonic distortion, with their harmonics. This is a tabular format. You can easily see there the RMS voltage, fundamental harmonics, their third, fifth, seventh and other harmonic levels values. These are the percentage of these values with reference to their RMS value. These values are showing the current values, and these are the percentage. You can also write here comments according to you. Here it is showing the current spectrum. Okay, you can see here voltage spectrum. This showing the percentage